Space Station waste management. I like the high-tech names for the toilet. We're going to walk through another one of the sections of the space station.
The International Space Station will provide a unique environment for research on the growth of protein crystals, which help determine the structure and function of proteins. This information will greatly enhance drug design and research in the treatment of diseases. Proteins are essential components of all living cells and serve many different functions. By studying a protein that is part of a virus, researchers can learn how that virus attacks plants or animals. What happens here on Earth is that gravity actually distorts the shape of the crystal and causes imperfections in it. In space, we grow the crystals larger and in a more pure form, bring them back, and the larger crystal allows us to get a much better diffraction pattern from the protein. The whole goal is to eventually synthesize the protein. We can make a whole new family of pharmaceuticals that
The space station modules I'm walking through.
Fiction continues its remarkable transformation into science fact. Nowhere is that more evident than in the creation of the International Space Station, a worldwide collaborative effort that is turning our planet into a true global neighborhood. The International Space Station represents a future that lies before you, right here, right now. This is Kennedy Space Center's Space Station Processing Facility, where every piece of the International Space Station launched by the United States will undergo final preparations for the journey into Earth orbit. Like detailed tests and inspections that verify each part will function properly in space, and that all pieces fit together correctly to assure a status of launch readiness. In order to ensure the safety of the crew and the success of future missions, each and every component and system must function perfectly on the processing floor before it is launched into space. The processing area before you is vital to the construction of the space station. This area serves as a clean room environment, which prevents contaminants from negatively affecting the sensitive experiments aboard the space station. That's why admittance to the floor is highly restricted. Only essential personnel are permitted on the processing floor. In addition, engineers, technicians, and scientists working within the roped areas or on the stands must wear what are affectionately referred to as bunny suits, the same sterilized garments worn in hospital operating rooms. The space station's major elements arrive via barge, air, and truck, and are during and after the space station's actual construction phase, scientists will fine-tune their experiments and fit them into space station racks. The facility will also be used to ready supplies and equipment for shipment to the international crew. And with efforts such as the International Space Station to fuel our dreams and ambitions, our universe is certain to grow smaller. The International Space Station will offer an unprecedented opportunity for researchers to gain new knowledge, which will benefit our lives here on Earth. The history of our planet is being made right before your eyes. The dream of one day living in space is coming alive, step by step, piece by piece, here at Kennedy Space Center.
Well, as you heard from the video, this is the construction test area.
Right now we have about 10 pieces of the space station right now orbiting the Earth, and little by little we keep adding to it. And in about 5 years it will be completed, and then the space station will be done. And we have 3 people living up there right now: Bill Shepard, Yuri Ziskel, and Serge Krikla. They'll be up there for about 4.5 months, and they'll be coming down February the 15th, and a new crew will replace them. Now, this crew right here in front of us, right here, these are Italians. But anyway, the purpose of that base over there, that mobile base and the arm, is to build a trust system up in space. Now that truss system for those of us who are Americans is 117 yards long. That's about, now, in real terms, it's over 110 meters long. That's big, isn't it? I wish we all could. When it's
The
all
bay
over,
against the wall is actually a duplication of the shuttle bay. Actually put some of the modules in that, weigh them, test them, make sure everything fits correctly.
The purpose of that, the Canadian Army is to build a truss system that will also serve.
Canada has built a arm system. You saw it in the other room, the assembly room, and this is that arm fully extended. This is that arm system from Canada.